Hey guys, welcome to Let's Build. Today I am going to introduce one of the most pivotal stars of the early days of Hollywood. Yes, Charlie Chaplin, the English comic actor. You may be familiar with some of Charlie Chaplin movies, but how much do you really know about comedic genius? Come on, let's get started. If you are interested, smash the like button and continue watching this video. This video aims to provide the life journey of the legendary Charlie Chaplin. Charles Spencer Chaplin was born in London, England on April 16, 1889, and he was died on Christmas Day 1977 in Switzerland. British comedian, producer, writer, director, and composer, who is widely regarded as the greatest comic artist of the screen and one of the most important figures in motion picture history. Charlie Chaplin worked with the children's dance troupe before making his mark on the big screen. With Chaplin's much beloved character Little Tramp, he is considered to have been one of the best actors and directors of the silent film era. Best known for his tragic-comic character, the Little Tramp, Charlie Chaplin revolutionized cinema both during the silent era and the talkies. Chaplin was named after his father, a British music hall entertainer. He spent his early childhood with his mother, the singer Hannah Hall, after she and his father separated, and he made his own stage debut at age 5. In truth, Chaplin did not always portray a tramp. In many of his films, his character was employed as a waiter, store clerk, stagehand, fireman. Also, his character might be better described as the quintessential misfit, shunned by polite society, unlucky in love, jack of all trades, but master of none. His 35 Keystone comedies can be regarded as the tramp's gestation period, during which caricature became a character. Chaplin did everything by himself. This is because of his perfectionism. In the film City Lights, actress Virginia Cherrill had to say just 2 words, "Flowers, sir." But Chaplin's perfectionism made him repeat the take 342 times. Early in 1921, he came out with his 6th-reel masterpiece, The Kid, in which he introduced to the screen one of the greatest child actors the world has ever known, Jackie Coogan. Usually, he was embroiled in a nasty and groundbreaking paternity suit. Sweet little man with a bowler hat, mustache and cane had stolen the hearts of many. He has accepted his honorary Oscar in person in 1972. In 1952, because of his alleged communist politics, the US denied Chaplin re-entry to the United States after he traveled to London for the premiere of his film Limelight. In 1981, Russian astronomer Lyudmila Georgievna Karakna, who has discovered more than 100 minor planets, named one of them after the legendary director 3623 Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin Comedy Film Festival is a mixture of film and comedy celebrating the early decades of cinema and life of Charlie Chaplin. The festival features a short film competition with categories like Chaplins of the Future. Last year, the fest tried to break the Guinness World Record of the largest gathering of people dressed as Chaplin. His former home in Switzerland was converted into a museum. The estate also hosts a studio where his movies are screened, wax figures, recreation of some of his film set pieces, and a restaurant named The Tramp. Chaplin was the first actor ever to appear in Time magazine in the 6th July 1925 issue. The magazine is famous for its influential and controversial covers, and this was a big step for the actor. He continues to be held in high regard with the Gold Rush, City Lights, Modern Times, and The Great Dictator often ranked on the list of the greatest films of all time. Although Chaplin will always be remembered as the brilliant actor behind The Kid, City Lights, and Modern Times, He was also an accomplished musician and a talented composer. Chaplin's versatility extended to writing, music, and sports. He was the author of at least 4 books: My Trip Abroad, A Comedian Sees the World, My Autobiography, My Life in Pictures, as well as all of his scripts. His career spanned more than 75 years, from childhood in the Victorian era until a year before his death in 1977, and encompassed both adulation and controversy. That was from me for today, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for liking this video. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe.